Okay guys, I found the issue. This is gonna work 100%. This is not a joke. This video is gonna work 100%. So here's the issue of this. So if you're looking for the reason why your transmitter is not working, like the recording button, you know, when you click the recording button and then it shows that it doesn't record, you know, you click the recording button, doesn't record, and then here on here it's gonna show like 0 hours, right? So that means the storage is full. So I didn't even know that, right? So let's take this out, right? Everything should be working now. So we take them out first. So when you take them out, if I click record, see, this is gonna work. I already fixed it. So if I click record, if you see it's just vibrating and nothing shows, right? You click vibrate, we click vibrate, it's not recording, right? So it says that it's full. So what I did, the first thing I did, I opened my computer, I plug it in one of these in it, right? And I delete the file, right? That method worked. So I delete the file, and then I try to record again. I was trying to film a video and it's not working. So I already deleted the file, right? So what's the next? It should be working because everything is empty. So that's not the issue. You gotta format it. So what you do, yeah, it was still showing 0 hours. So what I did was this, right? It took me a little while to check the video. It was from Reddit. So what you do, you go here, you obviously take them out first, and then you go to the settings. This goes to settings. When you go to settings, you see receiver settings. You go to the second one, transmitter settings, right? You click there, and then you go to storage. Obviously storage is not the first one on the thing, so let me just show you guys how far I scroll. So you go all the way to storage. See right there, storage, and then you click storage, and boom, now it's gonna show you the format, right? I already did it already. It's gonna show you a thing that say format, and then usually look, so you click to get the format screen, you click here. Let's see, let me click to 10 hours and 9 minutes, right? And then you slide that there, and then it's gonna start formatting. After that, boom, done. It's gonna take literally a couple seconds, boom, done. And then you can start doing your recording again, because deleting is one thing, but you gotta format it to get it done. So that's the goal, that's the key. So it's easy, you just slide it. So I don't want to do it again because I already done it. If you have any question, let me know. I can always help you out. But this is 100% is gonna work. I have a DJI mic too, so I don't know other DJI, but for sure DJI mic 2, this is gonna work. A lot of videos they're gonna show you go to computer, delete, and start recording. No, you gotta format it. You gotta delete them, and then take them out of case, obviously, and then go all those steps and format it. Boom, you can start recording. Everything is working for me now. So peace.